Oh my god! Hey! It is the Boxing Day cruise. Oh. So every single car goes from the north to the very south of the beaches of Adelaide. This is incredible. The cars are just nuts. I had no idea about this event until about a month ago, and man, I'm glad I made it. Okay, this is the place to be, sitting right in a post here. Great view of the road. Oh, that's one of my dream cars right there, that Julia. Oh, no way! Alright, we're going to walk a little bit further down along the road to try and get to some beautiful water scenery. So that'll just be awesome for old mate Jesse here. Car Events SA doing a bit of photography. So, dude, those headlights look wicked. Oh my god, look at that, GT3. Dude, that's so nice. And another Julia coming up as well. Oi. Look at that. Check out this thing. It's got a GTR kit on it. Holy shit. Mate, are you looking for the engine? The engine's out the back, mate. Oh, fuck. Someone might have stolen it. Oh, no way, look at that. No way, it's a Combi Ute. That's wicked. It's the R8, look at that. That's got some kind of body kit on it too, by the looks of things. Oh, look at that FJ45. That's so cool. That sounds so good. There are so many VLs out. Oh my god. There's just too much going on. Look at this thing. That is wicked. Big Simmons on it, of course. Wow. Oh, mint AU Falcon. Yeah, boys. Oh, the Alpha 4C's coming up. Look at that thing. That is just beautiful. What a stunning car. Right after the 4C, there's an Aston Martin. Oh, two A90s. Oh, and an R34 as well. I don't even know what to film. The SLR 5000. That is insane. That's another one of my dream cars right there, the Lexus RCF. What a stunning car. Holy. Look at that, it's a much awaited Gallardo. That is a stunning car right there. Oh, it says gated on the plate. Is that gated manual? Dude, is that thing manual? Yeah. Fuck yeah, man. Look at this, past all these Fords, there's a VF GTSR. That thing is menacing. Look at that. don't see that every day. Here the RCF comes back again. Look at that thing. That is so menacing. Here comes a Gardo again. Look at that thing. Far out. This Cobra here, I've seen it before. It's got a Ford Falcon XR8 engine in it. Here comes a Huracan. That sounds mental. No fucking way, lowrider AU Falcon. Oh, no way. Boys, come on, man, come on! Look at those carbies. It's an 812. Oh my god. That's insane. Look at that thing. Hey, Lexus ISF. I love those things. Check this thing out. It's got a full race livery. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Hey! Oh, check these guys out. That thing's closer to a bike than it is to a car. And the plates on the side, that's so cool. That's wicked. Oh, check that out. It's a mystery machine. Hey guys, apparently a twin turbo Lamborghini Huracan's coming up soon. Oh, it's the fucking moped boys! Oh, I don't think I've ever seen a Nardo grey Ferrari ever. Here come the Supercars. Holy. Dude, pink Lamborghini. Oh. That thing is twin turbocharged. You can see it right there in the back. Twin turbos. Check that thing out. That is wicked. Oh, that's a full skippy. Alright, that's just about the end of it. We've seen all the cars come and go heaps of times and people starting to head back. So that's the end of the video, and thank you all very much for watching.